Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the Palworld game on your PC or laptop. So to download this game is very simple method, and the best method to download this game is to open up your any browser and just search for the Steam. Now the Steam website will show on the top. Just click on the website. Once it was open, click on the login option. Then just simply sign into your account, and if you don't have an account, then just simply create one. So once you created the account, click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. And guys, once you click on that here, you just need to click on the install Steam option. And now it will start downloading the setup of the Steam. Once downloaded and installed, you have to just open it, simply sign into your account you recently created. Click on the search box, just type the password, and now you can just hit the enter. Now this game will show on the top. Just click on that game. Now just simply scroll down and you will see the option like add to cart. So it is not free, you have to pay this amount, like the 13.29 USD. After paying it, click on the add to cart. Then it will be option, give you option like this. Click on the view my cart. So once you click on that, you will redirect to the new page. Here you simply need to click on the continue to payment option. Now in this page you have to just simply give your, you can pay with your PayPal or any card you have. So once you pay with your card, your game was added to your library. Click on the library option you are seeing on the top, and on the left hand side you will see your Palworld game, like so. Just click on that game like Palworld you recently added to your library. Now here you will see the option to install it. So once you click on the install, it will start downloading and installing into your PC, and then you can enjoy it. And guys, if you found this video helpful, so please consider liking this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.